What if I told you that you could become a confident English speaker even if you have no one to practice with? Yes, you can improve your speaking skills faster than you think, using simple techniques you can do completely on your own. Speaking English confidently doesn't start with perfect grammar or big vocabulary. It starts with daily habits you can practice anywhere, anytime. You don't need a partner, a teacher, or a classroom. You just need the right methods. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your speaking skills by practicing on your own. Let's begin with one powerful technique: speaking out loud to yourself. It might feel strange at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to build fluency. Describe your actions in English. Say, I'm making breakfast, I'm opening the door, or I'm finishing my work. These small sentences train your brain to think in English and respond faster. Another extremely effective method is shadowing. Play a video or audio of a native speaker and repeat everything at the same time: their tone, their rhythm, their speed. Don't pause, don't translate, just follow their voice. This method helps you sound more natural and improves your pronunciation quickly. Even 5 minutes a day can transform your speaking style. Next, practice thinking in English. This is where real fluency begins. Instead of translating in your head, try forming your thoughts directly in English. Think about your plans, your ideas, your day, all in English. Start simple and slowly build up. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. Here's a method many learners avoid but is incredibly effective. Record your voice. Choose a topic, speak for 1 to 2 minutes, and listen back. You'll notice areas to improve, but you'll also notice your progress over time. It's like having your own speaking coach. Reading out loud is another powerful tool. Take any English text, a short story, an article, subtitles, and read it out loud with emotion. This improves pronunciation, confidence, and clarity. It also helps you connect written English with spoken English. Finally, challenge yourself. Try speaking for 5 minutes without stopping. Tell a story, explain your day, or describe a memory. These small speaking challenges boost your confidence and push your limits. Remember, you don't need perfect English to sound confident. You just need consistent practice and the courage to keep going. Fluency doesn't happen overnight, but every sentence you speak brings you closer. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with other English learners. And tell me in the comments, which technique will you start using today? Let's keep improving together on English Fluency Hub.